Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Mai. I'm an advocate. Today I would want to suggest students as to why they can choose law as a career and what is legal profession and growth and opportunities in law, financial status in law and diverse fields in law and other sectors apart from only courtrooms and other career options after you do law. And what are the qualifications to enroll into a law school or a college? And how to choose the best law school in India? And what is CLAT? Why choose law as a career? Law has always been considered as one of the noble professions. Law is also the fundamental of life and liberty. A career in law is intellectually challenging, financially rewarding, and personally fulfilling. Law is also about rights, justice, and understanding of human behavior and society. And law as a profession is in great demand these days. That's due to the changing social and economic circumstances and ever increasing regulatory rules being undertaken by the government. There's a rising demand for the lawyers. Besides being financially lucrative, law is also an adventurous and exciting career option. The person in the legal profession is called as an advocate or a lawyer. An advocate is an officer of justice and a friend of the court. He has to accept a brief for any person who comes before the court. He has to collect legal material relating to the case of his client and argue in the courts to help the judges deliver judgments and also by providing justice to his client. An advocate also serves the public by giving legal advice, by explaining the complicated and confusing provisions of different acts and rules to citizens who seek his service. An advocate has to protect fundamental and human rights in addition to propagating them. What is the growth and opportunity in law? In the last few years, the legal profession in India has been growing very rapidly, and also there's been a steady rise in the income from the profession, and there are plenty of opportunities for the law graduates in these days to grow up in the career and to take up a lot of challenging roles in the field. Diverse fields in law. With a law degree, you can give one a skill to be a successful lawyer, but also a successful politician, judicial officer, or a police officer. A law degree equips you for almost any profession that required intellectual strength combined with a practical approach. Other sector, apart from courtrooms, it is not that only you do law and practice in the courts. There are various other sectors you can explore being a law graduate. With a law degree, you can even choose to become a company secretary by simply taking up a course of company secretary. You can practice exclusively in the taxation field and be a tax consultant. You can also take up administrative services like banking sectors. You can become a law officer in quasi or government. Other career options by doing law. You can become an employee in a private company. You can even take up exams for civil judges. You can also take up various exams for becoming a central or state government gazetted officer ranking. You can also take up a short service in Indian Army, Navy or now we'll see what are the qualifications you require to get into a law school. You can decide once you've completed your 12th standard or second PUC. Immediately after second PU, you can take up entrance exams from various prestige institutions around India. There are a lot of entrance exams conducted to get enrolled in the best law school, and one such best thing is common law admission test, and that is how to choose best law school in India. There are a list of law schools across India wherein you can get admission only through CLAT. In Bangalore, there are a couple of law colleges which conduct their own entrance exams for admission, and a few have direct admissions as well. You have to carefully decide on choosing the best law college to have the best future. And finally, coming to CLAT. What is CLAT? CLAT is Common Law Admission Test. By writing CLAT, you can get into the best law schools across India based on your ranking. If you are based at Bangalore, you have a couple of institutions which provide training for CLAT. With this, I hope it will help a lot of students to decide why to take up law as a career. Wishing you all a very best. In case of any doubt, you can reach out to my email ID at kiran.mai09@gmail.com. Thank you. And thanking Mrs. Deepa for giving me this opportunity to give this presentation. Thank you.